Hello kids, welcome to my channel Kids Learning. Today we learn sound of C H ch. C H ch. Let's start with me. Ch. Ch. A R. Chair. Chair means kursi. Ch. C H N. Chain. Chain means Janjeer. C H Ch. Ch O T. Chat. Chat. C H Ch. Chair. Ch. Re. Cherry. C H E C H E R Y. Cherry. Ch. C H Ch A L K. Chalk. C H A L K. Chalk. Ch. C H Ch Change. C H A N G E. Change. Touch. T O U C H. Touch. Torch. C H. Torch. Torch. Reach. C H. Reach. Ditch. D-I-T C H. Ditch. Beach. B-I-T-C-H. Beach. Bench. B-E-N-C-H. Bench. Chair. Chain. Chair. Cherry. Chalk. Change. Touch. Torch. Reach. Ditch. Beach. And bench. So this is sound of ch. C H.